love about my school is how we as students are encouraged to find what makes us passionate and discover who we are and what we want to do with our lives. And in many different classes, I've had assignments that are called passion projects. They allow us to research whatever topic we desire and learn how those topics impact our society. These projects have especially helped me pursue my interests in science, art history, and language. This mirror represents how Worcester Academy pushes us to reflect and think about what shapes us, while also encouraging us to help the world around us as we learn.
One thing I love about Worcester Academy is the different clubs that we have to offer. From Ultimate Frisbee Club to Black Student Union, there's a place for everybody to explore their different interests.
One thing I love the most about Worcester Academy is the many different electives that we have to offer. Although it is a requirement to take at least 4 semesters of the visual and performing arts, there are many different options that make it more enjoyable. For example, I have taken ceramics, intro to art, painting, and theater. Through these classes, I have made so many great friends and even learned some new skills. The visual and performing arts are definitely a unique aspect of Worcester Academy.
At WA, I have learned to become a global citizen. In March of 2019, I went on the Spain trip, where I actually lived with a host family for a week and got to immerse myself in Spanish culture. That was a trip that really got me outside my comfort zone, enhanced my worldview, and really just provided me with such an enriching cultural experience, and that is something I really thank WA for.
One thing I love about Worcester Academy is the warm and welcoming feel of the entire campus community. As an international student, I'm able to enjoy excellent education, experiences, new cultures, and create lifelong friendships here. With family dinner and great dorm parents, there's always a strong support system for students to rely on. Worcester Academy is a home away from home.
One of the best things WA has given to me is my amazing soccer team. Over the years, the team has become like my second family. I've learned so many leadership and teamwork skills that I'm forever grateful for. WA offers so many different sports, and it's a great way to meet new people and become more involved in your community.
One thing I love about WA is our residential life community. With dorm parents and students from all over the world, we have the ability to make special connections outside of the classroom.
One thing I love about Worcester Academy are the different events we have throughout the year. One of them being Spray Day, when the entire community gathers together in the quad to throw footballs, eat ice cream, and build our school spirit.